Victor United to Romeo Charlie Papa contest. Any station on the frequency?
Hi, due to Romeo Charlie Papa. We are a field station here in Pune, QSOs.
Romeo Charlie Papa, please give me my report, over.
पुराना आर्मी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी AIT, अभी DAIT। ये पहले हम साइकिल पे आते थे, उसके बाद स्कूटर पे आना शुरू किया। ड्राइव करता है। ये ना तुला पाठवतो मी। अरे 2 दिवस आमचा इव्हेंट आहे, रात्री एस्ट्रो फोटोग्राफी आहे।
Roger. Okay, thank you very much.
बरं ओके, वाय जंक्शन सरळ जायचं, लेफ्ट टर्न घ्यायचं। प्लॉट नंबर किती हो? 417 417। माझी गाडी पायलट होती मागे। 417 QSL। एंटी के बाद कुछ रैली हुआ ही नहीं, 2-4 छोटा हो गया।
You have a long experience in driving.
अरे multilingual person, Chinese, Japanese, translation, talk, everything. Mangesh.
Hello, sir. Yes. Nice meeting you.
Milind and George, he has come all the way from Kolkata. Yesterday he landed. And now
Namaskar.
Kiran and our youngest scientist,
Yes.
Parth. He's just 18 years old.
जी कॉल दीजिए। View to Romeo Charlie Papa. View to Romeo Charlie Papa.
We are a field station here in Pune, QSOs.
Romeo Charlie Papa, please give me my report, over. Yeah, Radha Mangesh, thank you for all the information, 50 kilometers from Pune. And I spoke to Vijay, Yankee Echo Kilo, and Echo Juliet, and other stations from Pune.
Good afternoon, Bharti. What a lovely signal you have. We are about 8 hams gathered here at a place about 50 kilometers from Pune, and we are all enjoying the QSOs. We have just set up the antennas in the morning, and this is a noise-free location, so no RF interference, and we are all enjoying. I will give it to the youngest ham in the group, Parth, who is just 17 years old, and we call him scientist of Pune Hams. So he has just made a radio telescope, which he will be demonstrating today at 21 centimeter radio telescope, where we will get signals from Milky Way, V2RBI, V2RCP operated by V2VPR.
Hilltop contest. Romeo Charlie Papa Hilltop contest.
This is VU2RCP Hilltop contest. This is VU2RCP Hilltop contest.
from my hometown in Durgapur, West Bengal. He is from my hometown, Durgapur, West Bengal. Vijay. Please continue. Please, all stations stand by. All station, please stand by. Again, Oscar United 6 Delta Lima QSL.
DX.
Alpha 43, whiskey, Alpha 43, whiskey, Alpha, QRZ. Sugar Eco Papa, Delta. Sugar Queen 9, Golf Delta November 59, and Alpha Lima 59, and number 208, Roger. 091, QSOs, Delta Eagle, Sugar Eco Papa, Delta. 1, 2, 3, view to Hotel Whiskey, view to Hotel Whiskey, view to ZKC, view to Hotel Whiskey, then handle is Kuldeep, Kilo United Lima Delta, Echo Papa. Kuldeep is the handle and QTH is Hanumangarh in Rajasthan, North Rajasthan. Back to you, view to Romeo Charlie Papa, view to ZKC.
Roger, view to Zulu Kilo Charlie. This is view to Romeo Charlie Papa. Romeo Charlie Papa returning. Signal report 5757. Over.
Your handle and QTH, please.
We are Contes station. My handle is George. That is Golf Echo Oscar Romeo Golf Echo George is my handle. My home call sign is view to X-ray Florida Delta. This is my home call sign, and currently we are operating from Hilltop, ARSI Hilltop contest. View to Romeo Charlie Papa is our call sign. Back to you. Will you view to Juliet Kilo Charlie? Over.
It is Zulu Kilo Charlie, George. 5 and 9 plus last time. There is a deep QSP, but maximum signal is 5, 9 plus around 20 dB. What is your QTH? Roger, about your participating in Alpha Romeo Sierra India contest. What is your QTH?
Roger. QTH is Pune, Rule Village. It is a hilltop area. Current location is Pune, Rule Village. Hilltop location, 700 feet from the sea level. Over.
Okay, Roger, Papa United November Echo Pune. Roger, frequency, view to RCP, view to HW.
Roger, sir, Roger, Hotel Whiskey. Hotel Whiskey or signal reports 5 and 9. George here. Back to you. View to Hotel Whiskey with view to Zulu Kilo Charlie. Over.
View to Romeo Charlie Papa. View to Hotel Whiskey. Do you copy me? Over.
Roger, sir. Getting you 5 and 9. Good copy. Over.
PPR.
Okay, everything is ready. And I'm also waiting for ARSI. Whenever he came back to the repeater, I will leave the frequency. View to VPR, view to ZKC.
Okay, we will ZKC, we will VPR, no issues. VK Aryaji very shortly traveling back to Delhi, and then he will get in touch with you. So 73 is nice talking to you and have a wonderful day. VPR clear, VPR standing by.
Okay, 73. The next location here is view to VPR.
In America, 3 Bravo, UVA Contes.
Thank you and good luck. Yankee Oscar 4, November Tango. Yankee Ontario 4, November Tango.
View to Romeo Charlie Papa. Over.
Radio Charlie Papa, go ahead.
Roger. Victor United number 2. Radio Charlie Papa. View to Radio Charlie Papa. Your report is 5 and 9.
Okay, Radio Charlie Papa. You're 59137. You are in the contest?
Roger, Roger, in contest, over. Your report number is 4242, over.
42, thank you, good luck. Ontario, 4 November Tango.
Other side, we use 3 Delta Sierra Juliet Alderman Deepak from Gujarat also in this frequency, Subhandawa. Over to you, view 3, Tango Papa Whiskey. This is view 2, Mike number X-ray. Yeah, Roger. Away to RCT Chandra over there. Roger, Roger. Yeah, Roger. We can minus it on frequency. You can extend the report, Chandra. Over. Is it Mike number X-ray? Yeah, Roger. Roger, Roger. Mike number X-ray. Okay, Mahindra. Good copy. You are 58 to 59 here in Mangalore. I don't know whether you are on a printing or the contest. You are 5 by 9. Nice strong signal, Mahindra. Going to make number X3, we to RCT. FC59, excellent copy and great audio. And thank you so much for pulling me in. And I have QSOs. Do fill in the time 1649 for you and 1648 for VU2RCP. So with that, I will not hold you up. 73 and have a very good night. This is view 2, Mike number X-ray. Over to you, view 3, Tango Papa Whiskey. Yeah, Roger, QSL Mahendra. Okay, Mahendra, thanks for the contact and 73 and good luck, Mahendra. We will do next view 3, TPW. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, 73.
Victor Uniform 3 Yankee Echo Kilo.
Again.
Victor Uniform 3 Yankee Echo Kilo.
Yeah, VU3 Yankee Echo Kilo, VU3 TPW. Yeah, good evening to you, my dear friend. Thanks for coming back to my call. A very strong signal, 59 plus about 10 dB with me. The name is Renchu, like Romeo Echo November Juliet Uniform. And the QDH is in Calicut, Kerala. VU3 Yankee Echo Kilo from VU3 Tango Papa Whiskey.
Season contest is the call sign Alpha Tango 3 Sierra Mike. So wish you good luck, George. Thank you very much. You are 5 by 8, 5 by 9 here in Mangalore. Faisal.
Roger, sir, Roger. View to Radio Charlie Tango. It is a great opportunity for me that I was dreaming to get in touch with you over the air. Actually, I am a very great fan of you. I am located in Kolkata. So I made many videos on your reception. And it's a great opportunity for me today to speak with you. View to Radio Charlie Tango. This is View to X-ray Florida data operating View to Romeo Charlie Papa, over.
Okay, your home call is VU2 X-ray Foxtrot Delta, Roger?
Roger, sir, Roger, Roger.
Okay, George, thank you very much. You are operating from West Bengal, Calcutta, over?
No, sir, no, sir. For the field day contest, I came to join with Pune team. Its call sign is VU2 Radio Charlie Papa. Call sign is VU2 Radio Charlie Papa. Leader is VU2 VPR, over.
Okay. So you are somewhere near Pune. So let me turn my Yagi more into your direction. Probably I'll have a slightly better copy. Anyway, wish you good luck, George. You're doing a great job. Nice signal coming all the way from Pune to Mangalore. VU2 X-ray Foxtrot Delta, VU2 RCP, over.
Roger, View to Radio Charlie Tango. This is View to X-ray Florida Delta returning. Very happy to speak with you today, sir. I was dreaming to speak with you, and this day suddenly came in front of me. So I follow how you operate and everything. I am a great fan of you. Your signal reports 5.9 blasting at Pune Rule Village. It's 70 foot height. It's a hilltop location. So no problem, sir. You please continue as contestations are going on. So back to you, Radio Charlie Tango, for the final. This is a View to X-ray Florida Delta, over.
Okay, fine, George. No, well, I am not on the contest right now individually. Our team is working in the island called St. Mary's. St. Mary's Island, our team is working for the contest. I was there almost a full day and I returned back home. I'm back home now. Anyway, thank you very much, George. We'll certainly have a longer chat some other time. and exchange a lot of experiences in ham radio. So thank you very much. Thank you very much, 73 George. Have a wonderful contesting. V2 X-ray Foxtrot Delta, V2 RCP.
V2 X-ray Florida Delta returning on behalf of V2 Radio Charlie Papa. Okay, V2 Radio Charlie Tango 73, bye bye, and hope to meet with you again on the air. Bye bye, sir.
Bye bye, good night, Shubhratri.
So I'll take your leave, people. I'll take your leave. I'll pass it to V3 and just give us final blended percentage of the frequency. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Vijay Chaudhari. At the age of 75, I thought of involving myself into ham activity. I found my friend Mr. Rabde, who is already very active ham operator. I was interested right from the engineering college, but didn't have the opportunity. So I offered him this, my farmhouse, which is in Pune district, Velle Taluka, near Panshet Dam, and it will serve the purpose, I suppose.
परसों बताया उसका हमने जो ग्रेविटेशनल रोटेशन चेक किया तो ये सब विजिबल स्टार्स है। तो हम अगर इसके बीच में घूम रहे हैं तो वी कैन कैलकुलेट द मोशन ऑफ ईच ऑफ अस गोइंग अराउंड दिस ऑब्जेक्ट। कैलकुलेशन इज नॉट मैचिंग प्रेडिक्शन वर्सेस एक्चुअल, समथिंग मोर इज गोइंग ऑन, नॉन विजिबल थिंग, एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी कॉल्ड एज डार्क मैटर यस्टरडे इन हिज प्रेजेंटेशन। The dark matter is between that dark matter we are sitting as live stars, visible stars, and the whole thing is having huge gravity going around this. तो सोचो ये ऑब्जेक्ट कितना बड़ा होगा। ये दादा ऑब्जेक्ट है जो पूरे मिल्की वे के बिलियंस ऑफ स्टार्स और डार्क मैटर को एक साथ घुमा रहा है गोल गोल। अभी लोगों को लगा अच्छा ये अपना गैलेक्सी हो गया, चलो यूनिवर्स खत्म। ये तो कुछ भी नहीं अभी, क्योंकि इसके बाद भी फाउंड आउट as we go further ahead अपने गैलेक्सी को भी एक सैटेलाइट गैलेक्सी है छोटे। तो अगर if you go to Australia or you go to South America, वहां पे you can see a big cloud in the sky that is called as another satellite galaxy, Magellanic clouds। उसका फोटोग्राफी कर सकते हैं with that simple camera। एक्सपोजर 5 मिनट का है, उसमें आपको गैलेक्सी कैप्चर हो जाएगा।